Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up email automation on Mailchimp. We'll begin by understanding the core concept of automation and why it's a powerful tool for your business. Email automation allows you to send targeted messages to your audience at just the right moment without manual effort. This saves you valuable time and ensures consistent communication, helping you nurture leads and build stronger customer relationships. It's an easy way to enhance your marketing strategy and achieve your goals. Next, let's dive into designing your email journey within Mailchimp. You'll start by selecting the specific audience for your automation and defining the trigger that initiates the sequence, such as a new sign-up or a purchase. Then, using Mailchimp's intuitive builder, you can easily drag and drop various elements like emails, delays, and conditional logic to create a seamless flow. Remember to personalize your messages using merge tags to make each email feel unique and relevant to the recipient, boosting engagement. Now, let's focus on crafting the actual emails that will populate your automation. Mailchimp offers a fantastic drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to design visually appealing templates that align with your brand. Pay close attention to your subject lines and preview text. These are crucial for encouraging recipients to open your messages. Aim for clarity and conciseness. Most importantly, ensure each email includes a clear and compelling call to action, guiding your audience toward the desired next step, whether it's a purchase or a visit. Finally, before launching your automation, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Send test emails to yourself and a few colleagues to meticulously check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. Carefully review the entire automation path to confirm that all steps, delays, and conditional logic are functioning exactly as intended. Once you are confident, activate your automation. Remember to regularly monitor its performance using Mailchimp's robust reporting tools to make data-driven adjustments and optimize your results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.